stop being extra. But hey, what's up? Hello, it's Miyah Styles. I'm back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to actually be styling my passion twists, my short passion twists that I did. If you want to know how I did them, what I used to do them, I'll link it down in the description box below of the video of me doing them. But if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe, because I post every Saturday something hair related, something of me trying something new hairstyle, whatever. So if you're interested in seeing that and you want to see me some more, subscribe, like I said. Hit that like button if you did like this type of video, because it's my first time actually doing a hairstyle, showing you guys like hairstyles as opposed to me doing the hairstyle, if that makes sense. This is my first time actually styling them for you. So if you did like this video, hit the like button so I really know, because I need to know. Comment down below what you want to see in a future video so I can post something that you might want to see. You know, recommend a hairstyle to me, because my TikTok followers always recommend styles to me. So if you guys can recommend styles, that'd be wonderful. But we're just gonna get right into it. Okay, so the first hairstyle, I'm going to leave my side piece out on both sides, and then take it about, so throughout, if you watch my YouTube video, like I said, I'll link it, taking the U shape and then a little bit around it. So just the two sides here, trying to make the ponytail as even as possible. And then just ponytail on this. And I mean, like, this is so cute. I think, honestly, like, I know I was saying in my video before when I first made this that I wasn't really feeling, like, the hairstyle or whatever. But now that I can style it, this is cute. Okay, so next hairstyle, I'm going to be taking everything that I can in the front, even the side pieces this time. And I'm going to be taking a ponytail, a scrunchie, and wrapping it around twice. But on the second time, I'm pulling it just to the end. I really like this too. If you want, you know, you can play with it a little bit, make it messier, make it, you know, however you want. But this is usually how I would like do it. Spray it like this. Okay. Alright, y'all. So obviously another hairstyle you could do is just leaving it out. Now, whenever I do a leave, like when I leave it out, I don't want it to be like directly on the part. So I'll take one of them. So it's like that type of, you know what I mean. I don't even know how to explain it, but this is how I like it to look. This is giving me okay. I don't even know how to explain myself, but I just like this, because then I feel like, I don't know, but for me, I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I wear my hair to the side, my neck tends to go to that way. So if I do it on this side, my hair's gonna go this way. If it's just me, I mean, I don't know. All right, so this next hairstyle is probably one of my favorites. So I'll just leave out one piece, leaving out the sides as well, taking mostly the top half portion, and then just putting my hair into a ponytail. Now this is like one of my favorites, because I mean, who's that lady? She's a sexy lady. Like, no, but for real, this is one of my favorite ones. All right, now this next hairstyle might seem stupid because of the first one that I just showed y'all, but instead of one piece, you do both. This is cute too, because I mean, like, especially with this jacket, I don't know why I like doing this. Ooh, I like doing this hairstyle with it, but okay. Hold up, not the banging, the banging. Whoa. If you know what I'm talking about, comment down below, because I feel like I'm going crazy right now, because I don't know if y'all know what I'm thinking, but okay, so next hairstyle, taking the sides up this time, and I'm going to put this in a bun. Okay, so for the next one, it's simple. It's not really my style, but I mean, it kind of looks cute. You do a bob like this. Ooh, what? Oh. Y'all know like The Incredibles, when the lady or whoever it is, I forget who it was, but they came out with the blunt cut bob, and it was like but yeah, so this is one for you too. Nice and simple for my simple chicks out there. When you know, you go on the front, you trying to hurry up and get out and go, just pull it in the middle and go like this. Next hairstyle it's going to be one of those messy looks, okay? So trying to get everything up except for the two in the front. This in a ponytail. Actually, okay. Now this is cute. I ain't never wore it like this until just now, and I like it. You got one of those like a pineapple ponytail type of thing, fan ponytail. It looks like this. It's giving me 90s vibes. I don't know why. I'm not even from the 90s, so I don't know nothing about the 90s for real, but child, when you wear your hair like this, you gonna look cute. You gonna look bomb. Okay, this is gonna be your style. I know it. I could tell you really would like this, especially if you got a big forehead like me. I don't know why this hairstyle make it look like I don't really got one for real. This might just be my new favorite, because hey. The next one, parted in the middle, taking everything but that corner piece as usual, because I don't like putting that one up. And I'm just gonna twist. Then doing the same thing on this set. Okay, so this is the two bunny bun buns. Now, like I said, if you wanted to secure them a little bit more, you can put scrunchies over top, or you can bobby pin. But this is giving me like Powerpuff Girl vibes. Everything's giving me a vibe today. I don't know why. Okay, so you can also just do them all up. This is what you would get. Now, because they're short, obviously your ponytail's not going to be as, you know, banging. But honestly, if you leave one out, it looks cute like that too. But the actual hairstyle is for them to be all the way up. So yeah. I like it. I keep saying about every single one, but I do. Okay, so comment down below which one was your favorite. This one is my favorite. I mean, let me know what y'all think. Hit the like button if you did like this type of video, because this is my first time actually posting a me styling my hairstyle instead of me doing the hairstyle. So I want to know if you guys like this type of content too. I post every Saturday. Subscribe if you want to see some more of me. That's pretty much it. Comment down below what you want to see in a future video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.